Welcome to Clever Mum. In this video, we'll explore 10 easy-to-make drink recipes packed with ingredients designed to naturally boost your energy and strengthen your immunity. By the end of the video, you'll have a lineup of go-to drinks you can incorporate into your daily routine without breaking the bank or resorting to overly processed store-bought options. Let's dive into the world of energizing and immune-boosting beverages. To kick things off, let's discuss why maintaining energy levels and a strong immune system is so crucial for leading a healthy, vibrant lifestyle. Have you ever felt bogged down, low on energy, or like you're catching colds more frequently? Well, this is where these simple remedies come in. Whether it's a refreshing morning jumpstart, something to get you through a sluggish afternoon, or even a calming drink before bed, these 10 recipes have got you covered. Think natural vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory wonders found right in your kitchen. And the best part, they're so straightforward that anyone can whip them up. Now, let's address why this really matters. Our busy modern lifestyles often leave us feeling drained and vulnerable to catching illnesses. We juggle long work hours, unpredictable schedules, and sometimes even fail to eat meals that nourish us properly. Over time, this takes a toll on both our energy levels and our immunity, leaving us sluggish and more prone to getting sick. That's where these recipes shine. They're specifically designed to tackle these issues head-on. They'll not only leave you feeling reinvigorated, but also build up your body's natural defenses. Plus, they're packed with flavor. Yes, health can taste incredible too. As we dive deeper into the video, I want you to think about something. Which part of your life feels the most out of balance right now? Is it your energy levels? Do you often feel tired no matter how much sleep you get? Or is it your immunity? Maybe you find yourself catching colds or feeling run down all too often. Or perhaps it's both. Your body might need that extra boost to bring back harmony. Whatever your answer, this video is here to provide practical, inexpensive, and downright enjoyable solutions you can integrate into your daily routine. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll not only know 10 amazing drink recipes, but also understand why each ingredient matters and how you can personalize these drinks to fit your lifestyle. Let's get started. Now that you've explored a variety of energy-boosting and immune-strengthening recipes, let's recap how these drinks can make a difference in your life. From naturally energizing ingredients like spinach, matcha, and cacao, to immunity heroes such as turmeric, ginger, and berries, these recipes truly showcase the power of simple, wholesome ingredients. It's amazing how a few easy changes to your daily routine can lead to increased vitality and better overall health. Whether you're looking for that mid-morning pick-me-up or a nightly immunity boost, these recipes are designed to fit seamlessly into any schedule. Remember, the key takeaway here is balance. By incorporating a variety of natural ingredients, as we've discussed, you're giving your body the broad spectrum of nutrients it needs, not just to function, but to thrive. And almost all of these drinks can be tailored to your preferences, giving you the freedom to experiment with flavors and ingredients. Feel like adding a splash of coconut water to your berry blend? Go for it. Or maybe a sprinkle of cinnamon to your green tea. The possibilities are endless. Now, I have a challenge for you. Choose just one recipe from this video and commit to trying it today. Will it be the indulgent homemade chocolate protein shake, or perhaps the refreshing lemon ginger detox water? Whichever it is, take a picture and let us know in the comments how it turned out. Your feedback helps build this community of health-conscious, creative foodies. Plus, we might even feature your version in a future video. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on more easy, affordable, and natural ideas for boosting your health and well-being. At Clever Mum, our goal is to empower you with practical tips to simplify your life while keeping it fun and nutritious. Don't forget to tap the notification bell so you're the first to know whenever a new video drops. Let's spread the joy of healthy living together. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, stay healthy, stay energized, and live your best life.